everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing? Yes! So, this is day 2 of my fitness adventure. And I decided I'm going to start blogging about my weight journey and weight loss experience and going to the fitness studio. And I got a goal. I want to at least lose 5 kilos. Okay, I know that's not a lot, but I don't know. For me, it's just like, body's important. I mean, keeping yourself at a nice weight for me is important. Always have been, always will be. The moment I start to see that my stuff is getting tight, it's like, okay, it's time to change my diet. So, and get back into the fitness studio. And anyway, I have not been in the fitness studio, like I said, forever now. And it's time. So, anywho, stick around. I'm so excited. It's 8 in the morning. I dropped my daughter off already. So this time I decided I'm going to go for a walk. I'm going to walk to the gym because yesterday I drove to the gym and it's pretty expensive parking wise. I mean, I paid €7. I mean, €7 is not a lot, but it is a lot. And for me, when I start the gym, I mean, when I do something, I do it. I mean, I really jump in. So it's not going to be once in every 2 weeks that I go to the gym. I hope not. Anywho, so my goal is to at least go four times a week. I'm not going to overdo it, but 4 times a week, that should be good enough. So, so if you add that up, I mean, I usually try to spend at least 2 hours, 2-3 hours. So, I don't see myself paying €7 each day because that adds up. So, anywho, guys, so I'm going to walk and then, show you the neighborhood. Okay, stick around. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, so I'm on my way to the fitness studio, and as you see, I'm totally bundled out and leaving my apartment building. And I must say I'm ready to roll. Not ready to roll. Yes. Here we go. I'm so ready. Sometimes, I mean, I love to walk, but sometimes I be thinking, oh my goodness, what happens if I forget something? I so hope I didn't forget anything. So, isn't this pretty? It's a pretty day out. Yesterday it was raining like cats and dogs, so if it's raining, I'm probably not going to be walking to the fitness studio. Forget that, guys. So, anywho, I haven't even looked at my weight yet or weighed myself to see how much I weigh. I'm always like a bit afraid to check out my weight. I need to look at my weight so I can get an idea where I am. But I always get scared, especially when I see us a little. I mean, I already know that I'm a little overweight. So, I mean, what's a little overweight? I mean, in my book, it's for me a little bit overweight. I like to wear a size. My ideal size is between 36 and 38. So I know I'm like a 38, 40. So for me, that's like too much. Although most people will be like, you're fine. But for me, you know how that is. You want to make sure that you want to make sure you feel good about yourself. So do things for you. So not for anybody else. So if you're not feeling good, change it. So that's how I am. So anyway, here we go. Stick around. So I made it. Oh my gosh. That was a nice little walk. Didn't take that long. I would say something like 15 minutes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that every morning. It was so nice. It was freaking cold. I was so unprepared. Anywho, guys, so now it's time to get started.